Hey guys, I am so excited to show you this craft pack. We are going to be doing Treat the Teacher, and I'm going to be showing you the DTF transfers included and how to make each project. So let's go ahead and start unrolling our designs. We have the full roll that is going to come to you this way, and we're just going to remove the rubber band. All right, and look at how many designs you get, guys. Look at all that. There are so many to choose from, and I can't wait to show you which ones are my favorites. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to remove this top piece here. So we are going to cut anything, including the dotted line and above. And you guys have been making some really fun uses out of our little logo here for each theme. So we love to see those. Make sure you tag us when you do something really fun with those. So I think I am going to use the floral. We're gonna use this pencil one and this cool little like sketch, it's like sketch text. I love it. That's so my jam. So I'm really excited to show you guys that one. So let's go ahead and get each of these cut out. This floral one with these like little polka dotted areas are some of my favorite. I think this is so cute. But I just realized I have this print stripe over here, so we just need to cut that off real quick. All right, last we have Teachers Gonna Teach. We also have a couple of pocket logo options, and I think I'm gonna use that on one of them because I have something else planned for one of these others that I think you guys are gonna love, but I'll tell you more about that at the end. Okay, and then we also have a zipper pouch included, and there's a couple different options, but I think I want to match one of my shirts. So I'm going to use this teacher floral print with the little polka dots. I think it's just so cute. But guys, don't forget with these, you all are welcome to use these in any way, shape, or form that you want to. These are just the ways that we found we liked. And let's cut out the little apple reward. That's the one I want to use for one of my shirts on the pocket. And then we are still left with so many more really fun designs. This one you could also use for the pocket logo of the floral one, but I have that other idea for you. All right, so let's get started making some of these shirts. So I have the black t-shirt up first. Let's go ahead and get the pre-press done for that one. We're going to lay it on our heat press, and we are going to press for 310 degrees just for a few seconds. So this is the one we are going to put our little pocket logo on. So we are going to take about 3 inches from the bottom of the collar and 3 inches over. And that is where we want the middle of the design to go. Okay, and we're gonna press for 10 seconds at that 310 degrees. All right, we're gonna peel this hot. And then we are going to use a heat resistant sheet, but if you have a piece of parchment paper or butcher paper, that will do fine as well. So we have our pocket logo done. Look how cute that is. And so since we have this back design, I am going to place this shirt face down, and we're going to feel for the front collar and the bottom of that front collar. So we want that to hang barely off the heat press area. And then once you have that placed, you will be able to take your design and you can place it as far up on the heat platen as you can. This is going to help give a really good placement for between the shoulder blades. And we're gonna press for 310 for 10 seconds. Gonna peel that hot, and then we're going to add our heat resistant sheet for another 10-second press. And now we have that full back. We have our pocket, we have our back, and we're ready to put this in a cute little gift basket or something for your favorite teacher. So next we have our white t-shirt. We're going to give that its quick little pre-press. Remove any wrinkles and moisture. Okay, and so for this design, we are going to do Teachers gonna teach. So this one we're just gonna place on the front. So you want to do about 3 inches from the collar. And we're gonna press for 10 seconds. So I think my pressure was a little bit off. I did not get a very clean peel for this one. So when this happens, we know we need to do some checking on our pressure. So I'm going to check out my heat press and we are going to try this one again. All right guys, since we had a mishap with the front part of this shirt, we are going to try again on the back of it just to show you guys. And I'm even gonna show you all how to do a cold peel this time. We're just gonna play it extra safe, okay? So we have our heat press set at 310 degrees. We are going to press for 10 seconds. I did go through and check my pressure. I added a little bit more. I think that as your heat press is used, it can kind of, you know, loosen up a little bit. So I increased the pressure and we're going to try again. So just like in our other ones for the back design, we want to do right under the collar. So we have that front collar right off of the heat press area and we are going to apply this to our back. All right, so I'm just going to lay this on our table. We're gonna let it cool off a little bit and we are going to do the cool peel method for this one. Okay, flip it over. We're gonna start from this end. There we go, beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta adjust things a little bit. So let's give this its second press. I'm going to use our heat resistant sheet. And there we go, beautiful. All right, so we're gonna put this one to the side. We might not include this one in our little basket for our teacher, but now you guys know what to do when something like that happens. So we're gonna place this one over here and we are going to make our final t-shirt. We are going to be using the J Navy. We're gonna give it a little pre-press. Okay, and now that our wrinkles are smoothed out, any extra moisture is taken care of, we are going to apply our design. We are going to do this about 3 inches from the bottom of the collar. All right, and since this one has some really thin script, I want to play it with the safe mode. I'm going to let this one cool before we peel the carrier off. Okay, now that it has cooled off, we're just going to peel the carrier. Beautiful. So now we can just give it that extra 10-second press to set everything. Grab our heat resistant sheet and another 10 seconds. And here we go. Now I told you guys I have a secret way to customize this shirt. So if you want to know how to do that with the Caesar Easy Weave that came in your craft pack, then make sure you guys check out the video below. We're gonna put this one over to the side because we're gonna get ready to customize that with that video. And last but not least, we have the zipper pouch. We are going to use this really cute teacher floral design. So one thing you want to remember with zipper pouches is this has seams, that zipper, things can melt, things can give uneven pressure. We are going to make sure that this is going to hang off of the side of our heat press. If you want to use a pressing pillow, a washcloth, anything like that to fit it inside, you can absolutely do that. But we are going to just lay this where the zipper is hanging right off. We're gonna press the design 310 degrees for 10 seconds. All right, so one thing I want to do is I do want to do this one cold peel. Sometimes with canvas, the tightly woven fabric can sometimes give you a little fight when you want to peel it hot. So we're just gonna make sure we cool this down just to be safe. Okay, now that it has completely cooled, that carrier peels off beautifully, and we are going to give it another press for about 10 seconds using our heat resistant sheet. And here we go, guys. All right, and we are ready to make a little gift basket for a new teacher this year, a teacher that you know and love, or a former teacher. And this is a great way for them to carry around the extra pencils because you know somebody in class forgot their pencil. So we have this cute little zipper pouch. We have a few t-shirts to give them, and we even have some other projects with the UV DTF. So thank you guys so much for hanging out and crafting. I hope that you guys really love these craft packs. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to our amazing customer service team.